KE Assistant Professor Examination Physics Subject ಗೆ more than 105 questions ಗೆ answer key ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The number of fission per second in a 100 megawatt reactor is. The right answer is option D, 10 power 18. Second question. The strangest quantum number is conserved in. The right answer is option A, strong and electromagnetic interaction only. Question number 3. The force vector corresponding to a potential V is equal to K into R cube, where K is a constant, is given by. The right answer is option C, minus 3 K into R square into vector R. For a single particle under a central force which varies as R square, the average kinetic energy T and average potential energy V obey the relation. The right answer is option B, T is equal to V. The mechanism of nuclear reaction can be understood by using. The right answer is option C, compound nucleus model. Question number 6. Which is wrong in the following? The right answer is pair production takes place at all photon energies. Question number 7. A carbon nucleus emits a particle X and changes into nitrogen according to the equation. Then X is. The right answer is option C, electron. Question number 8. The following equation is an example of. The right answer is Gamow-Taylor transition. Question number 9. Magic numbers are. The right answer is option B. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. 2, 8, 20, 28, 50, 82, 126 ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸೇ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಕೇ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಬಿಡನ್? ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Question number 15. According to the shell model, the ground state spin parity assignment for oxygen 850 nucleus is. Option A, 1/2 per minus is the answer. Question number 16. Atomic mass number of an element is 232 and its atomic number is 90. This exhibits alpha and beta radioactivity. If the stable end product is lead, the number of alpha and beta particles emitted before the end product results is. Option C, alpha is equal to 6 and beta is equal to 4 is the right answer. Question number 17. The reaction is forbidden because of the violation of the law of conservation of. The right answer is option D, lepton number. Question number 18. From meson field theory, the potential energy of interaction between two nucleus is proportional to. The right answer is option C, e power minus mu r divided by r. Question number 15. According to the shell model, the ground state spin parity assignment for oxygen 850 nucleus is. Option A, 1/2 per minus is the answer. Question number 16. Atomic mass number of an element is 232 and its atomic number is 90. This exhibits alpha and beta radioactivity. If the stable end product is lead, the number of alpha and beta particles emitted before the end product results is. Option C, alpha is equal to 6 and beta is equal to 4 is the right answer. Question number 17. The reaction is forbidden because of the violation of the law of conservation of. The right answer is option D, lepton number. Question number 18. From meson field theory, the potential energy of interaction between two nucleus is proportional to. The right answer is option C, e power minus mu r divided by r. Question number 19. In a simple cubic lattice, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ಲೇನರ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, √6:√3:√2. Question number 20. A copper wire is stretched to make it 0.5% longer. The percentage change in its electrical resistance if the volume remains same is. The right answer is option D, 100. A solar cell has short circuit current of 50 milliamperes and open circuit voltage of 0.7 volt under full illumination. The maximum power delivered by the cell of fill factor 0.8 is. The right answer is option B, 0.28 watt. For a closed packed BCC structure of hard spheres, the lattice constant A is related to the sphere of radian R as. That answer is option A, 4R by root 3. Question number 23. The nature of bonding in solid argon is. The right answer is option B, van der Waals force of attraction. Question number 24. Einstein's theory of specific heat concludes that at lower temperatures, the specific heat, the right answer, option D, drops exponentially with decrease in temperature. Question number 25. For a Fermi gas of n particles in 3 dimensions, the Fermi energy is proportional to. The right answer is option B, n power 2 by 3. Question number 26. The dispersion curves of electron 1 and 2 are shown in the following figure. The effective mass of. The correct answer, option B, electron 1 is more than electron 2. Question number 27. The dispersion relation of phonons in a solid is given by this equation. The velocity of the phonons at large wavelength is. The right answer is option B, W0 into A divided by root 2. Question number 28. In the BCS model of superconductivity, the dependence of critical temperature Tc on isotope mass is. The right answer is option D. Critical temperature T is directly proportional to m power minus half. Question number 29. For an intrinsic semiconductor at 300 Kelvin, NP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, mobility of electron ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and mobility of holes ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Conductivity of the sample ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 1.92. Question number 30. An n-type semiconductor is. The correct answer option D, electrically neutral. Question number 31. Which of the following phases of liquid crystalline state is characterized by both positional and oriental order? The correct answer option C, smectic phase. Question number 32. Germanium having a forbidden gap of 0.72 electron volt is irradiated with monochromatic radiation. The wavelength required that would be sufficient to create an electron hole pair will be. The right answer option C, 17,250 angstrom. Question number 33. The solutions to the differential equation. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. Question number 34. The value of root I plus root over minus I is. The right answer is option D, root 2. Question number 36. The average of the function f of x is equal to sin x in the interval 0, pi is. The right answer is option C, 2 by pi. Question number 37. The equation. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ equation it is a standard form of Bessel differential equation. So the right answer is option C, Bessel differential equation. Question number 38. S suffix ij and A suffix ij represent a symmetric and anti-symmetric real value tensor respectively in 3 dimensions. The number of independent components of S suffix ij and A suffix ij are respectively. The right answer is option C, 6 and 3. Question number 39. Suppose a refractive index n is given by n is equal to a plus b divided by lambda square, where a and b are constants, lambda is wavelength, then dimensions of b is same as that of. The correct answer is option A, area. Question number 40. The order of error in the Simpson's rule for numerical integration with a step size h is. The right answer is option C, h square. Question number 41. The probability that two friends share the same birth month is. The right answer is option C, 1 by 12. Question number 42. For the function f of z is equal to tan 1 by z, where z is equal to 0 is a. The right answer is option B, essential singularity. Question number 43. If P is a non-singular matrix of order 5 cross 5, then rank of P is. The The right answer is option A, 5. Question number 44. The angle between vector P plus vector Q and vector P cross vector Q is. The answer is option D, pi by 2. Question number 46. The eigen values of the matrix. Matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ P. So the correct answer option A, 0, 0, 14. Question number 47. A vector perpendicular to any vector that lies on the plane defined by x plus y plus z is equal to 5 is. The correct answer option D, I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Question number 48. What is the angle between. Question number 49. Which of the following observers is non-inertial? The right answer is option B, a child revolving in the merry-go-round. Question number 50. A system exhibits invariance under translation in space and time. The following quantities will remain conserved. The right answer is option D, linear momentum and energy. Question number 51. A particle is moving on a sphere of fixed radius. The number of degrees of freedom for the particle will be. The right answer is option D, 2. Question number 52. The Hamiltonian corresponding to the Lagrangian. ಒಂದು Lagrangian ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ corresponding Hamiltonian option D. Question number 53. The product of any generalized momentum and associated coordinate must have the dimension of. Right answer is option C, angular momentum. Question number 54. A force F1 acts on a particle so as to accelerate it from rest to velocity v. The force F1 is then replaced by F2, which decelerates it to the rest. The right answer is option C, F1 may be equal to F2. Question number 57. According to the special theory of relativity, a particle cannot travel with ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, speed of light because its option C, mass will be infinite. Question number 60. Scleronormous constraints are independent of time. Question number 61. Consider three vectors v1, v2, v3. ಮೂರು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, where I cap, j cap, k cap are standard unit vectors in a three-dimensional Euclidean space. These vectors will be linearly dependent if the value of alpha is. The correct answer is option D, 5 by 4. Question number 62. A particle moves with a constant velocity parallel to the x-axis. Its angular momentum with respect to the origin is. Option C, it will be constant. Question number 64. Which of the following cannot be the eigenvalue of 3 cross 3 matrix? The right answer is option A, I, 1, 0. Question number 65. In the figure, xy is an infinite line charge distribution. P and Q are points as shown. The ratio of the electric fields at point P and Q is. The right answer is option B, 1:1. Question number 66. When a negative charge is placed at the center of the sphere, direction of electric field on the Gaussian surface is. The right answer is option C, radially inward. Question number 67. The electric field inside a conducting material of radius r is. The right answer is option C, 0. Question number 68. The power radiated by an oscillating electric dipole is proportional to the frequency omega by option A, omega power 4 is the right answer. Question number 69. The electric flux passing through a hemispherical surface of radius r placed in an electric field E as shown is. The right answer is option B, pi r square E. Question number 70. The displacement current arises due to A. The right answer is option A, time varying electric field. Question number 71. The magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying conductor of radius r, where small r is greater than r is the distance between the point and the axis of wire, is proportional to. The right answer is option B, r. Question number 72. When a voltage standing wave ratio VSWR in a transmission line is 3, the magnitude of reflection coefficient will be. The right answer is option D, 1/2. Question number 73. The potential which exhibits the dependence of the potentials on the velocity of the charged particle is known as. Option D, Leonard-Vickers potential. Question number 74. A charge q is located at the center of hypothetical cube. The electric flux through any phase of the cube is given by option A, q by 6 epsilon naught is the right answer. Question number 75. The electric field of a wave propagating in the xy plane with a wave vector k making an angle of 30 degree with the x-axis is. The right answer is option C. Question number 76. For an atom in the state of 2d5/2, the Landis G factor should be. The answer is option D, 1.20. Question number 77. A plane electromagnetic wave traveling along positive z direction has its electric field given by ಒಂದು equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ electric field Ex ಮತ್ತು Ey. The wave is option D, left circularly polarized is a right answer. Question number 78. In a ruby laser, population inversion is achieved by. The right answer is option A, optical pumping. Question number 93. The Davison and Germer experiment confirms the wave nature of electrons. So option C is the right answer. Question number 94. Dirac's relativistic theory predicts the existence of the positron. So option C is the right answer. Question number 96. The degeneracy of the spectral term 3F is. The right answer is option A, 21. Question number 97. The mathematical statement of optical theorem is, where the terms have their usual significance. The right answer is option D. Question number 80. No two electrons will have all the four quantum numbers equal. This statement is Pauli's exclusion principle is the right answer. Question number 81. The doublets observed in alkali spectra are due to. The right answer is spin orbit interaction of the electron. Question number 82. In a very strong magnetic field, the splitting of spectral line is normal. This effect is called Paschen-Bach effect. Question number 84. The quantum numbers of energy state for the electrons in a cubical box is 1, 2, 3. Is the correct answer? Option C, a 6-fold degenerate energy state. Question number 86. The uncertainty relation cannot hold for the following pairs. The right answer is option D, linear momentum and angle. Question number 87. Which of the following wave functions can be solutions of Schrodinger's equation for all values of x? The right answer is option A, capital A into e power minus x square. Question number 88. The difference between the subsequent energy levels of a particle in a box follows the following trend as a function of n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. The right answer is option A, 2n plus 1. Question number 90. Of the following moving with the same velocity, the one with which has largest wavelength is. The option is option B, electron. Question number 91. The 0-point energy of one-dimensional harmonic oscillator is. Option C, 1/2 h cross omega. Question number 93. The Davison and Germer experiment confirms the wave nature of electrons. So option C is the right answer. Question number 94. Dirac's relativistic theory predicts the existence of the positron. So option C is the right answer. Question number 96. The degeneracy of the spectral term 3F is. The right answer is option A, 21. Question number 97. The mathematical statement of optical theorem is, where the terms have their usual significance. The right answer is option D. Question number 98. The L, S and J quantum numbers corresponding to the ground state electronic configuration of boron Z is equal to 5 are. The right answer is option B. L is equal to 1, S is equal to half and J is equal to 3/2. Question number 99. Assuming that LS coupling scheme is valid, the number of permitted transitions from 2p3/2 to 2s1/2 due to weak magnetic field is. Question number 100. The operators Lx cap, Ly cap and Lz cap are Hermitian. Question number 101. The eigenvalue of the parity operator is. Option A, either +1 or -1. Question number 102. For an electron in hydrogen atom, the states are characterized by the usual quantum numbers n, l and m suffix l. The electric dipole transition between any two states requires that. The right answer, option D, delta L is equal to +or -1 and delta ml is equal to 0, +or -1. Question number 103. The first law of thermodynamics stands for the conservation of. The right answer is option C, energy. Question number 104. Given for solar radiation, lambda m is equal to 4753 angstrom and Wiens constant B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The surface temperature of the sun is. The right answer is option C, 6097 Kelvin. Question number 105. Which of the following states exists? The right answer is option C. Question number 106. Which of the following molecules does not exhibit a rotation spectrum? The right answer is option B, H2, means hydrogen. Question number 108. A second order phase transition is characterized by A. The right answer is option B, latent heat. Question number 109. In grand canonical ensemble, the comprising systems are capable of exchanging, option D, both energy and particles. Question number 110. The partition function of two base particles, each of which can occupy any of the two energy levels 0 and epsilon is. The right answer is option C. Question number 114. Which among the following converters is digital to analog converter? The right answer is option A, R2 or ladder network converter. Question number 115. In an op-amp differentiator, the feedback element is a resistor. Question number 117. Graphene consists of, option B, entirely carbon. Question number 118. Least squares estimates minimizes summation of squares of errors. So option B is the right answer. Question number 119. The melting point of particles in nanoform normally decreases. So option C is the right answer. Question number 120. The properties of nanomaterials differ from bulk materials due to small size and large surface area. So option B is the right answer. Question number 121. A meter rod is moving along a positive x-axis with a velocity 0.6 c. Its length as measured by a stationary observer in meter is. The right answer is option C, 0.8. Question number 122. During the annihilation of a particle and its antiparticle, the energy released is E. Mass of each particle is. The right answer is option C, E by 2c square. Question number 123. Nanomaterials are the materials with at least one dimension measuring less than 100 nanometers. So option D is the right answer. Question number 124. A material with one dimension in nano range and the other two dimensions are large is called quantum well. So option D is the right answer. Question number 125. The mass of an electron is double its rest mass. Then the velocity of the electron is. The right answer is option D, √3 divided by 2 into c.